Good morning students, I am Gopal, head of the Department of Humanities and Science. The last class we have to find out integral values by using integral by parts. This is actually assignment problem. Now we solve this problem. Okay, so the problem is evaluate integral x e power x dx. So we know that eyelet method means, so if the given integration we have the two functions, the product of the two functions. Now here x, as per eyelet rule, integral x e power x dx. So actually x means, here I means inverse trigonometric function, L means logarithmic function, A means algebraic function, T means trigonometric function, E means exponential function. So here integral x e power x dx. What is x here? X is algebraic function, e power x is exponential function. As per this rule, A, so there is no I, there is no L, yes, A is there, there is no T, and A and E are there already. So in the given integration, x e power x is in the pattern of A and E. There is no problem. Again we have written integral x e power x dx. Yeah, now we have to find out this integral value by using integral by parts. So by the integral by parts, this is the formula, integral u dv. So what is u dv here? This is integral, this is u, and this is completely dv. Yeah, u means the first function. Yes, this is the first function. dv means this is the second function. Yeah, this is u, and now we have to find out v, and we have to find out du. What is v here? V is nothing but integration of second function. V is nothing but integration of second function. And what is u? U is integration of differentiation of first function. So dx by dx equal to 1. Clear? So therefore integral by parts, we have to substitute all these values here. Integral x e power x dx equal to, yeah, first we have to return u. What is u? U is x. And we have to return v. What is v? V is integral e power x dx, means integration of the second function. Yes, either we have to return this one, or we have to find out this integral value. This integral value is e power x, directly substitute. No problem, right? So integral e power x dx minus integration of, then what is v? V is again integration of the second function, integral e power x dx, and du. What is du? Du equal to differentiation of first function, and dx is there. Very simple. So this is, we compare, this is into integral u dv. Yeah, this is u, and this is u, this is completely v, sorry, dv. And first we have to return u. V means, so actually this is dv, so integration of this dv is becomes to v. Then integral, again we have to substitute v value, and we know that du means differentiation of x, differentiation of first function, differentiation of first function with respect to x, dx by dx into dx. Yeah, integral e power x. Now since integral e to the power of x dx equal to e power x, we have to return here minus integral, again integral e power x dx equal to e power x, and differentiation of x with respect to x is 1, and this is dx, and x e power x minus, again integral e power x dx, we get e power x e power x minus e power x plus c, where c is the constant, integral constant. Yes, this is the process of finding in the given integration there is any two function, the product of the two functions are given. This is the process of finding integration value of the integration. Now student, this is next example. Evaluate integral x square cos x dx. The previous problem is only integral x cos x is there, and integral x sin x, but this is the different problem here, integral x square cos x dx. Now as per eyelet rule, so here this is algebraic function, and this is trigonometric function. Yes, we have to written as it is. Now integral by parts, integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. Now from the given integration, now this is we called u and this is v. Yes. Now what is u here? This is dv. So v equal to x square, dv equal to cos x dx, and v equal to, and v we have to, this is dv, we have to find out v equal to, so v means integration of this function, integral cos x dx, integration of this function, okay, and du means, we know that x square, du means differentiation of the first function with respect to x, right. Now we have to substitute here. Now in this integral by parts, we have to substitute these values. Yes, what is u? U is x square. Yes, this place. And what is v? V equal to integral cos x dx minus integral. What is v? V is integral cos x dx, and du equal to du. What is du? Du equal to dx square dx into dx. Clear? And x square integral cos x equal to sin x, x square sin x minus integral sin x, this is integration of cos x sin x, and differentiation of x square equal to 2x dx is there, and x square sin x we have to written here, and here we are taking 2 common. Now again this integral is in the form of integral x sin x dx. Again here 2 functions are multiplied here. We have to use the same formula. Yes, now same procedure here, and we have to write it directly. So this is u and this is completely dv. Yes, u means x. Now we have to use the same formula here. What is u here? U is x, and dv equal to integral sin x dx minus integration of v. What is v actually? Integration of this function, integration of sin x dx into du, differentiation of x into dx. Yeah, now I am written here integral x square cos x dx equal to x square sin x is as it is minus 2 times of, yes, x into integral sin x equal to minus cos x minus integral minus x dx. Okay. Yeah, here d by dx equal to 1. So that's why I am writing here. This is x square sin x minus 2 of minus x into cos x minus plus integration of cos x equal to sin x and plus c. So finally we get x square sin x minus plus 2x cos x minus 2 sin x plus c. Yeah, this is the process of finding this kind of integrals. Yeah, students, now this is one more important example. Evaluate integral log x dx. Now we rewrite the given integration, so this form, integral log x dx equal to integral log x into 1 dx. Okay, so our convenience, now we have to written 1 dx. So by the Euler methods. So 1 is nothing but now this is x to the power of 0. We have to written x to the power of 0, no problem. So means this is a algebraic function. So this is logarithmic function and this is algebraic function, right? As per Euler rule, we have to written integral log x dx equal to this form. So here, what is u? This is called u. Yeah, this is u, right? Now this is u, and completely this is dv. So dv equal to 1 into dx. And now we have to find out. Now then v means integration of the second function. This is first function and this is second function. Integration of 1 dx. This is integration of 1 dx. And then du means differentiation of the first function. This is Actually, this is the first function, this is the first function, and this is the second function. Now v means integration of the second function, du means differentiation of first function. Okay, so by the integral by parts, integral u dv equal to u into v minus integral v du. So actually now this is the formula. By using this formula, we have to written here integral log x 1 x equal to, so first we have to written u, yeah, this is u. And what is v? V is integral 1 dx. This is v minus integral. Then we have to written v. V means integral 1 dx. Yes, v means integral 1 dx. Then du. Du means differentiation of log x. Okay, dx is there and coming to here. So now integration of 1 dx equal to x minus integral. Integration of 1 dx equal to again x. Differentiation of log x equal to 1 by x dx, and here this one cancel. So I am written here x into log x minus integral 1 dx, x log x minus integral 1 dx equal to x plus c. So finally now this is the integral value of the given integration. Now we will discuss one more example. Evaluate integral x square log x dx. Yes, now this is as per Euler rule. This is algebraic function. This is logarithmic function. So which function we have to return the first function as a first function? Here we have to return logarithmic function as a first function. Why? Because according to this rule there is no I. Next we have the L. L means logarithmic function. Yes, we have to return L, and then we have to return A, and there is no trigonometry function, exponential function. Yes, so the given integration can be written as, so this form by the Euler rule. Now we have to find out this integral value by using integration by parts. Yes, now we assume this is as a first function, this is completely second function. Yes, what is the first function here? U equal to log x be a first function, and dv is the second function. What is dv? X square dx. Then we have to find out v. What is v? So here dv equal to x square dx, we have to find out v. V means the integration of this second function. This is first function, this is the first function, and this is second function. Okay, this is first function and this is second function. Integration of second function, integral x square dx. Du means differentiation of the first function, so d log x by x, and we have to substitute these values in integral by parts. What is the integral by parts here? Integral u dv is given. This is equal to u into v minus integral v du. Yeah, now we have to substitute here. Now this is integral u dv equal to u. What is u? U equal to log x. And what is v? What is v? V equal to integral x square dx. Yes, we have to substitute here minus integral. First we have to return v. V means integral x square dx into du. What is du? Differentiation of the first function into dx. Yes, now log x is as it is. Integral x square dx means x to the power of 3 by 3 minus integral. Now again this is x power 3 by 3 into differentiation of log x equal to 1 by x dx. Here 1x cancel, and we have here log x cube by 3 log x minus x square by 3 dx. And we have to find out the integration of this x square, x cube by 3 log x minus, we have to take 1 by 3 common, and then find out integral of x square dx, x cube by 3 plus c. So finally we get x cube log x by 3 minus, yes, x cube, 3 3s are 9 plus c. Now this is the integral value. So dear students, now this is the process of finding these kind of integrals, and I will give assignments. Please solve that assignments and upload in Witsconnect app. Now dear student, now these are the assignment problems. Evaluate integral x square sin 2x dx, and evaluate x square cos 2x dx, and evaluate x square e power 2x dx, and evaluate x square e to the power of minus 3x dx. Yeah, here we use the same Euler rule. We have to first find out this integration. Again we get one more integration. Okay, already we solved this kind of problem. Now solve these 4 problems. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.